Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Gildo glass butt plug number 27. So let's get started. So this is the number 27 glass butt plug itself in a beautiful pink colour. This butt plug is made entirely out of transparent glass and it's perfect for men and women who are looking for a quality anal toy. This plug, as mentioned, is made of glass and has a medium size with a diameter of 4.3 centimeters. The glass is very smooth and safe to use with any type of anal lubricant. It's also suitable for those who are beginners and for those who are also experienced as well, and is unisex, meaning both men and women can use it for wonderful anal stimulation during use. It features a wide base and is also suitable for temperature play. For example, you can place this glass butt plug in cool water to enjoy cooler sensations or in warm water to enjoy warmer sensations. The choice is up to you. When using this dildo, as mentioned, we would recommend to use either a water-based lubricant or a silicone-based lubricant. The choice is up to you for optimal comfort during use. Make sure to clean the butt plug after every use, and for this we would recommend to use a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. Also included is a Gildo luxury toy bag, so you can pop your glass butt plug in there to help keep it discreet and dust free. And that is the Gildo glass butt plug number 27. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.